Alex Roy with Chris Posh, the head of engineering for FLIR's automotive unit, and the big question, pricing. Is there a pricing problem for thermal cameras?
Yes, there's a pricing problem. People think it's too expensive.
Is it?
It is not too expensive. We sell into drones, we sell into firefighting cameras, we sell into automotive, obviously $500,000 just into automotive. And the volume for all of that is driving the cost significantly down.
The military would say safety has no price. Or why is thermal considered such an exotic technology or exotically priced technology?
It's got its roots in military. The military absolutely knows the value of thermal imaging. You could win wars by having thermal imaging. So now it's FLIR's job to educate the autonomous vehicle market on what the value of thermal imaging is. And we're doing that now, and people are starting to realize how valuable thermal cameras can be to improve the safety of their car and expand their operational domains of where they can drive.
So what is the value of a human life? It doesn't have to be a LIDAR system that costs tens of thousands of dollars. You could have installed
a thermal camera for a couple hundred.
And avoided the Elaine Hertzberg crash.
Very possibly.